and add little backspin. There we go. And for the yellow, wow, that was a nice shot. That was a nice shot. And now I gotta put the black. Should I go for a double bank shot in this pocket? So don't be shocked if I'm gonna miss this. I was so close, and oh wow, he's gonna make it now. Did you see? I mean, did you see? Okay, now this is gonna be, I could have gone for, no. So I have to go for this. What do you people say? Oh, hey, stop. Okay. I thought the cue ball is also gonna go inside. I'm gonna leave this game. Okay, nice. This was nice. Because I didn't want to steal her coins. He's saying epic game looks like a subscriber. Let's play, man. I'm gonna start with stripes. Gotta add backspin on this shot. There we go. I don't know if he will actually play or not. We just said it like that. There we go. And can I pot the... Okay, let's go for this. I could have gone for this as well, but no. Let's go for this. Add left spin. Okay, nice game going on. But now I'm gonna get stuck because of this. No, I can still go for the orange ball. But after this, or I might pot the white or black or something on this shot. I'm gonna use a lot of force. Okay. I think, no, the brown ball is not going. If this yellow ball were not over here, it would have been much better. What a shot. And if I'm gonna put the black ball, it's gonna be an indirect denial. Just like that! Just like that! Okay. Every single ball indirectly potted once again. I think he wants to play again. Now I know that in the previous game he wanted me to go for a trick shot on the black ball. I know he actually signaled in the beginning of this match as well. But you people know why I went for a bank shot, because every single ball was indirect. So I mean, because I wanted to go for that indirect denial, that's why I chose to go for a normal bank shot on the black ball. And now let's go for this green in the bottom middle pocket, which I mess up, and I'm gonna put the black. I think it might be time for some back-to-back bank shots if I get proper positions, obviously. But let's go for this green ball now. And no, if I'm gonna add, I don't know, let's just experiment. Okay, so this happens. And now I can go for the red, I guess. It's gonna be risky. Hopefully the red ball goes away before that bunch comes down. It does go away, and it's a good thing that I do not put the cue ball or the black or something, and I end up in this situation. Okay, so I should go for the blue now. Huh? Okay, that was a bit overconfident. No, I mean, like, I did not judge the shot. I'm gonna say maybe I will come under overconfidence. Should I go for, okay, let's go for the brown, because it is possible. It might be looking as if it's not possible, but oh, I was lucky. I don't know why I added the top spin over there, but there goes that ball. And now I'm gonna go for this orange ball, which I hope so is gonna go inside. Yes, it does. And now he has been asking me to go for a trick shot, and even I want to go for a trick shot. So let's go for this. And I don't know if I'm gonna make it in one attempt or not. Oh! What else do you want? Oh, wait. Okay, I think I can go for the yellow ball right now. Is the brown ball going in the top left pocket? What do you people think? I'm using a lot of... Oh, I'm stuck, yeah. No, I think this is my chance to put the brown. If it goes in also, if I'm gonna use backspin, maybe I'm gonna... No, man. Despite the fact the Archangel Q has a lot of spin, but still I failed to clear the green ball. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the green ball. Let's see. Okay. So if I'm gonna go for the orange, now this is a tricky situation. Maybe I can touch the solid orange ball and maybe something's gonna work. Amazing. Okay, that's why I say, guys, I'm not saying I'm very intelligent and all, but it's just it's just a basic logic in this game. Now, I did call this pocket. I have to be careful not to touch the orange ball, but I'm gonna mess this shot. Okay, my mistake in this shot was I tilted the aim way too much. I should have not tilted the aim that much. Instead, I should have reduced the force. A lesson learned. An easy game lost, and I know I will get some hate in the comment section that why did I choose to go for a bank shot. 5 million 9-ball pool match, and I'm gonna do the break. Okay, I thought I should... Ooh! Okay, because I get so excited, now I am over here in a 10 million 9-ball pool match, and I'm just gonna do the break this time. Am I gonna put... No. Okay, I cannot even touch the yellow ball. This is the worst thing about this. Okay, call an ambulance. Call an ambulance right now. This is unreal. What is happening in 9-ball pool today? Hit the like button. What are you seeing? What are you... You can't see. Okay, so Natalka, he's gonna say Natalka from Poland is over here. She's a level 9 player. This is the thing. It's not that that's a deal. But the thing is, usually matches like these, let's try to... No, man, people are gonna get angry if I'm gonna... Okay, let's say it. I don't know if this will be considered as bullying or not, but let's go for this yellow ball like that. Oh, she's lucky. No. Oh, okay. She I think just reacted to the bank shot. Oh no. With the red ball. Let's find out. Oh, it does not collide with the red ball. Nice! Alright, so I'm gonna say you won't change my mind. So let's try to... No. Oh! I'm feeling so bad for her, man. The biggest advice ever? Never be overconfident. Never be overconfident. Oh my god, what the hell? Is she gonna actually win? No. Did she attempt up? No, I think she was going for the bottom, top middle pocket. I was going for a bank shot. Did she not notice that I was going for bank shots and I most likely would have again gone for a bank shot? I don't know. Anyone knows her? Please tell. Why did she leave? He's going for a bank shot. Hold on. I think he's one of her subscribers. He's going for a bank and he was close. He was not far away from making that bank shot. Alright, nice. Go for a bank shot. And add backspin. Oh no. It's essential at this point. That's why I'm going for it like this way. Okay, now I think I can go for the purple ball in the top left pocket if it does not collide with the purple, which I think most likely it will. Most likely this will. No, it does not collide. He's saying do a combination shot. Yes, he wants to play in direct. But how to Ah, no, huge mistake! Why did I mess up the fourth like this? No, this will not work. But this will! Nice, okay. Hands are feeling warm. Brown ball. I mean red ball and the orange ball. I mean there was a miss. I'm a bit colorblind, so I forgot. Okay, I think that was a nice cover up over there. Only 3 balls remaining on the table. That too. I mean this game is absolutely over. Where should I end the game? Let's actually. Okay, no, I'm gonna. For the sake of this shot, I actually did not even pot the ball. Oh, so he made this mistake as well. Now it's a bit of a challenge. I mean, I have to control my cue ball in such a way that I can pot the green ball. And I think I controlled it in the absolute perfect manner. So let's go for the green ball. And then let's go for the black ball. Obviously, what the hell is happening right now? Yes, I'm happy that I did not touch the black ball. Now this is gonna be an easy one, but I missed an easier bank shot right in front of you people just now. But this time I don't make the same mistake again, and a bit of self-complimenting over here. Now this is Berlin, but I mean, reading the comments, first of all, it always feels so nice when all of you comment down below, and you know it's like a community every time a video is uploaded and people talk over there. But I read that hackers are also in Berlin now. So I think most likely this is the case. That's why you people are telling me this. Should I go for this and disturb the black ball? I just disturbed the black, but it's now in a worse position actually. Much worse position than it was. Okay, hold on. No, it's still in the same exact situation. I have to do something for the black. Okay, let's go for this bank shot. And I don't want to scratch. I should not have said that, man. Oh! Unexpected! Really unexpected. Alright, so we can win this game. Let's go for a bank shot though. There we go. Now I can still win this game. That's why I risked this bank shot, because I knew making position for the black would be easy. So I'm just gonna add this a spin, and there goes my cue ball. Strong as an ox. And it's gonna be shocking. There we go. We have successfully. Once strike ball goes inside, break is technical. Break is not very simple. So let's try to play seriously, less bank shots and all, and try to clear this table up, because we all love challenges, right? My yellow ball is in a bad position. You know, it's sticking to that red stripe ball. There goes the red. I don't know what I'm going to do for the, to clear my yellow ball. And I have to do it pretty quickly, you know, because only the brown ball can help me to clear. Why did I use left spin? And I don't think so I will be able to actually. Nice shot. Nice shot over here. Let's risk one bank shot. Don't put the cue ball. Okay, so can I say that I can win this game? I think it's still way too soon to say that. Hold on. If I'm gonna use, if it just, I can't put the yellow ball right now, right? Extreme precision going on. I think I can. And for the black, I need to end up over here. Absolutely perfect stuff. And I actually worked hard for this time. Set back spin. There we go. Super smooth shot. And that was a nice denial.